May sino pang pabinin, pare?
Kaya.
Gulat lang kami.
Kada camera, pipiliin ka kulay doon.
Gulat kami guys, mag alas 4 kay awal 5 kay mag kami plaza kay Mawal Potato Web ni Lord. Di kang hatak loban kaya to na eskwela nag-transfer yan lang ha. Eskolyer.
Yan naman.
Masa nga pa rin nagsusurat kay kung taloy
Student.
for views. Aw. Dali na sa mumulay. Ito sa nakaon. Ito sa nagrarugby. Kami nga na guys, nagpaka-medias lang kami guys. Siyempre, students is always taking care of cleanliness. Pare, may pag sinubro ang pare pag pinakapit yung pare.
Lord, ano feeling being an STU student?
Feeling nga sabi nga student.
Pinakamera?
Ha?
Pinakamera?
Kuhan. It's very pressuring. And kuhan. If you are thinking about if going into the science, technology, and engineering program, it would be more. You should be more sure that you're going to be an ST student because if you don't have the passion to become an ST student or you don't have the you will maybe you're going to transfer and there's a highly chance that you will transfer schools due to the pressure to the homeworks being stacked up every day and yeah, so I think you should be really more you should more think if you really want to become a student.
Ang patalastas pare.
Process ulit.
Continue.
Okay.
Adilot.
Jima, what do you feel about being
Dere, ibang nga question, ibang question.
What do you feel about your classmates having a crush on you? Madinan. Uy! Oh, no! Madinan! Ba't doon pag-iana? Madinan! How does it feel when some of your classmates like you?
Feeling?
In English. In English.
Normal.
Normal?
Abnormal to. Kung may feeling, sige pa iyo. Amo na to.
Okay, that was an interesting answer. Ikaw